Or dance.
Hey!
Hi guys, today I'm with my uncle and we're making turkey meatballs with honey teriyaki sauce.
Oh.
We need meat,
Turkey, ground turkey,
salt,
what else?
cilantro,
Okay,
onions,
okay,
ginger,
okay, and
garlic,
oh, and this one.
and Worcestershire.
And
Panko.
panko. So, first step, let's do this.
Yeah.
How about your moves? How about your dance moves? Hey! So we're gonna mix the ground turkey with all the ingredients. Throw it in there. Some of the ginger. Like what, a tablespoon? Bam. Wanna put some salt in there?
Sure.
Do it like the Salt Bay? Probably a little bit more. Okay. Then we're gonna put some pepper. Some pepper.
Oh, that smells good.
Alright, we're gonna
Oh, that smells good.
dash some Worcestershire. Oh, we gotta crack an egg. You know how to crack an egg? You sure? Yeah, crack it open. Yeah! Alright.
Whoa.
Panko, you crack the egg. Alright, you're gonna mix it.
Sure.
Since we're Asian, we'll use a
soup spoon. What is it?
We're just gonna make this go fast.
That's forward. Fast forward.
Hey!
Hey!
You gonna do your dance later too?
Sure. Oh my God, Jacob! Jacob, we're making a video.
It's all good. So now we're gonna make them some, like 1 inch meatballs. So grab that and just
Shape it into a ball.
yeah. You wash your hands, right?
Yeah. Wash your hands before you cook. I think the oil.
So next we're gonna fry this up, right?
Yeah.
With some oil, just to brown the meatballs.
Yeah.
All right. I think I should do this part.
Oh. Whoa. Hello. Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna brown the meatballs for about a minute on each side, and then we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we're going to flip the meatballs.
So you're gonna get them browned up
We're going to get the brown up
before we put them in the oven, right?
before we put them in the oven.
All right. Careful. Yeah, look at that.
We're going to put the meatballs on the baking sheet and then put them in the oven.
So put them in the oven.
Safety first.
Cool. So 20 minutes. Remember 20 minutes.
Now we're going to make the sauce.
So what's in the sauce?
We're going to have honey, hot sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic and ginger.
Half a cup of soy sauce. So just half of that measuring cup. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's good. So go ahead and pour it in the saucepan.
Whoa.
And then you're gonna put.
Honey.
So go ahead and pour some.
Into
Pour some.
there?
No, in the pan. I'll tell you when to stop.
Like that.
Here.
Don't want it too sweet.
You like honey?
Yeah, it's good. I think that's good.
Okay, that's good.
Not so it's not too sweet.
So maybe a 1/3 cup of honey.
Yeah.
Sesame oil.
Now we're gonna put sesame oil.
That's good. And some sriracha.
Sriracha.
Okay, that's good.
I thought it wasn't liquid. I just didn't even know it was liquid.
Okay, what else? Oh, and the garlic and the ginger.
And then we're gonna add our garlic and ginger.
Yeah. Is that all of it?
And we're gonna
Okay.
mix it.
Oh yeah. Alright, so the meatballs are done. We transferred it to a glass dish.
And
The
now
sauce is done. What are we gonna do with the sauce? Right?
we're gonna put the sauce over the meatballs.
They're not meatballs, RL.
Turkey. Turkey.
Jake, here comes Jacob. You're in
You
the
wanna try
back
it too,
room.
Jacob?
What?
You gonna try it too?
Yeah.
Okay. So next we're gonna put some sesame seeds. Go ahead. Just sprinkle it all over. Yeah, check you out. You're natural. And the green onions.
Looks good.
All right, cheers, guys.
Woohoo!
How's it, Jake?
Good. It's really spicy.
Spicy? No, that's not spicy.
You like it?
Let me see. Good?
The green onion.